Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset for your Redmi Buds 6 Play. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case, and after that press and hold this connectional button at the right side of the charging case for at least 10 seconds until this LED light flashes 3 times. And we have it. Now release your finger and we should remove these earbuds. So click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device, and now we should see it at the device list. Click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!